New documents indicate the woman accused of shooting two attorneys a week ago today had been declared incapable to stand trial in the past.
Gwendolyn White is also accused of abandoning the care of her elderly mother. WRAL Sean Gallagher joining us live now. Sean, tell us what else we've been able to learn.
Yeah, Dan, when Gwendolyn White took her mom to the hospital over a health concern a few years ago, she apparently refused to take her back, all but abandoning her, leaving the county to step in and take over guardianship. That is before her mom died about 6 months later. Gwendolyn White said her fight in court last week was for the matriarch of the family.
But what I am worried about is unbiased, impartiality, and justice for my mother.
That case had nothing to do with her mother, Eileen White, who died in 2025. But Gwendolyn's online presence focuses heavily on her death, appearing to put the blame on the poor care she was receiving. Newly discovered documents show it's Gwendolyn White who was accused of failing to step in to help. In October of 2024, she dropped her mother off at the hospital for an issue. But when she was ready to be discharged 9 days later, Gwendolyn, quote, was unwilling to allow Eileen to come home and unwilling to work with the hospital on other discharge options, according to court documents. It continues. No skilled nursing facility is currently willing to accept Eileen as a resident due to Gwen's documented behavior and disruption in Eileen's care. So the courts concluded that Eileen White is at imminent risk of harm given her daughter's refusal to permit the mother's discharge or to participate in good faith in planning said discharge. So they assigned Eileen White a third-party guardian. So we do know the civil courts had concerns about Gwendolyn White's mental health, but so did the criminal courts, dating back to a 2023 misdemeanor stalking case where it was declared that she was not capable to proceed. But Gwendolyn White did fight that, saying that her son lied about her mental health. But she will undergo another mental health evaluation after what happened here just a week ago. In downtown Raleigh, Sean Gallagher, WRAL News.